Hello again. Today we have a DIY extension cabling on a fan. Well, we have a fan and we don't have the length that we want for our PC. Well, I know you can buy a new fan, they're cheap. Well, if you have some fan that you like it and is expensive, like Corsair fans, what you can do? You can extend this cable. You have a 3-pin connection and you can extend this cable. You can cut the cable and connect a bridge between. You can meter how much length you want to be, and then you can start. And I will show you how to do it. First of all, we need a cable. We do have a 4-pin cable here, but only we need 3. I need a length something like that, not so big. And you take and you can cut it here. This is the length that I want. We only need 3 of these. And let's keep the 3. Okay. Now, cut somewhere here, but be aware to know which cable goes where. And then cut it. Here. You need 1, 2, 3. You can start with that. A little coffee. You need a little bit. And then you can go here. And you need a little cutting area. Nice. Same here. We're taking the black one. And we're going to solder it. Okay. Then just connect it. And that is the first connection. And then you can use these thermotubes. And there's no cutting. Magic. Okay. And the same it goes here. Take the black one and connect it to the other. First of all, put some thermo tubing side. It's very tight. Sorry, I'll use another one. And it's the same process in here. And we're okay. And I will do the same thing to the other cables. Then you have the green, that is the middle one. You connect it in the middle one here and in the middle one here. And then the last is the red, you can connect it to the third one. And I'll just going to fast forward this and you'll see the end. And in the end, this is how it looks. Extended fan cable. No problem. That was all. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Like or dislike my videos, your choice. Have a nice day. Bye bye.